South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shullai conducted a surprise inspection of the ongoing road construction from the Assembly Gate in Rilbong, Shillong to the Umshirpi Main Road as part of efforts to ensure timely execution of the project and improve connectivity for residents in the area. Sanbor Shullai was accompanied by village headmen and representatives from the 8 Darbar Shnong under Raj Laban, along with officials from the Public Works Department and other concerned departments. The inspection began near the Assembly Gate and continued up to the CID police quarters located behind the Assembly complex. During the inspection, it was observed that construction work was progressing smoothly, with the road widening process already underway. Officials expressed confidence that, barring any weather-related disruptions, the project would proceed without significant delays. The MLA also visited another stretch of road near the office of the Shillong Times, which is being connected to the Umshirpi Main Road to further ease traffic flow in the locality. Speaking to the media, Sanbor Shullai acknowledged that the acquisition of land from military authorities had initially caused delays. However, he credited sustained dialogue and follow-up for the eventual clearance to begin work on the project. He further informed that the project has been sanctioned with an estimated budget of over Rs 6 crore and is scheduled for completion by January 2026. Once completed, the new road is expected to benefit residents of the 8 Darbar Shnong under Raj Laban and surrounding areas by significantly improving accessibility and transportation.
तुम लोग कहाँ वॉल को गिर गया
महिला दुकान से
Akadu kaba jointly bakapludi mga kumemeli ngalayo banlet nakapor banlet yakundu yaw defense minister, but at the end of the day ngalayo ya ka permission ke NOC but kila ai bakare jingking kala dap but muslim juhi kadum assurance kala ai nakapludi te kalong by January next year lala ban ya play no ka surap te kalong ngijingkur ku ka bakraw ku ba pitip ngi hangneng idon rador barsinong kiban peron kami anaka jaka kiba namanta ka jongki mat yui kuiru kiba na sor Shillong mar khap sor kila pun kam tam kan safe le kan chakri bhag na surok aki por kiba kam emergency step kalau shortcut link road namang idon rador barsong no rador barsong hangne kada rador barsong kenci of squad rolbong ngidon rador barsong lum sersi kenci ngidon rador barsong laban ngidon rador barsong marlaban riat laban ngidon rador barsong kita bol riat laban ngidon rador barsong upper lumparing but rador barsong lower lumparing rador barsong bak rador barsong law sutut kira rador barsong kalong kajing berku ya ki bagi kam ni kana lingru te nganga kubu lokal meli nomor ba haba kalaya kita ngakua banwan hitladi ka surprise kaba ngambu sing subu wood bagi banwan mani kuat ban hitladi ban yo ban camp laki train game train nomor ba habala ai kam kita ban train in time tementa ngala kali dak basai nagal yang jong ki official jong blue department gelong by next year January ngin pli yang naka jingkieng in plia nang surok dum tabau pai banglan pelukap no kadang kata kajing mut ke bangia wan ni kadang join inscription kalau si tengah soban aku boleh kerpang lu ya gini ginong yalam sinong no brother bar keblaya don lang bat ha kajing jur jong slap kadang unu slap de wong ke rain of blessing le de slap jong kajing kerku the house slap ne rung ya ni dep nomor la ka house gi ga slap lan ni kale ru ah bangia tre kampai bangi de benyon be sama tak